You ever feel like one screen just isn't cutting it? Imagine turning this tablet into a fully functional second monitor with just one cable. No fancy hardware, no over the top setup. And for my corporate warriors out there, I've got a trick for you where you won't even need to install anything on your PC. Stick around because this setup is about to change your work game for good. Alright, let's break it down. If you're looking to maximize your workspace without investing into a new monitor, an Android tablet is the way to go. All you need is a SuperDisplay app. It lets you use your Android tablet as a second monitor via USB cable or even wirelessly over Wi-Fi. And the best part, it even supports touch and stylus input. So it's not just a monitor, it's interactive. Now, if you're all about that high refresh rate like me with my Xiaomi Pad 6, wired is the way to go. I'm talking about 120Hz smooth as butter. And yes, you can connect wirelessly, but expect a little lag and a lower resolution. But it's still a good backup option. Oh, and by the way, the Super Display app gives you a free 3-day trial to test it out. After that, it's just Rs 1450 for a full license, which is totally worth it for how much productivity you'll gain. Quick question, are you enjoying this tech hack so far? If you are, go hit that subscribe button. I've got more tricks up my sleeve and you wouldn't want to miss them. Now I know some of you might be thinking, what if I can't install any third-party apps on my office laptop? Well, Bongo Lawyer has you covered. All you need is an HDMI cable and a capture card. And bam, you'd be able to extend your monitor's display onto an Android tab without installing any software. Just use any USB camera app and you're good to go. Sure, the resolution and refresh rate are limited by the specifications of the capture card, but hey, no admin passwords required for this method, right? It's absolutely perfect for those work from home setups and those sneaky productivity hacks at the office. And there you have it, 2 easy ways to use your Android tablet as a second monitor, whether you're a freelancer or stuck with your strict office laptop policies. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hacks, tips and tricks. Links for everything that I mentioned are down in the description below. Happy multitasking. Until next time.